Be honest for a second. Have you ever sat down to study? Laptop open, notes ready, and somehow, 45 minutes later, you're deep into TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or scrolling the same apps like it's your job? And then the guilt hits. Why am I so lazy? Why can't I just focus like everyone else? Yeah, I used to say that to myself every day. But here's the truth most people don't tell you. You're not lazy. Your brain is just fried. I remember coming home after school, telling myself, okay, today I'll lock in. 2 hours later, nothing done. No homework, no revision, just mental exhaustion and self-hate. And the weird part? I wasn't tired physically. I just couldn't start. That's when I realized something was wrong. Not with my motivation, but with my brain. Because what if I told you, your brain has been overstimulated every single day, without you even noticing? Let me explain. Your brain runs on dopamine. It's the chemical that says, this feels good. Do it again. Social media, dopamine. Gaming, dopamine. Notifications, dopamine. Fast content, infinite dopamine. And your brain loves it. But here's the problem. When your brain gets too much dopamine, normal things start to feel boring. Studying feels painful. Reading feels impossible. Even starting feels heavy. So your brain doesn't resist work because you're lazy. It resists because work gives less dopamine than scrolling. That's not weakness. That's biology. So if you've been beating yourself up, thinking you're broken, or just not disciplined enough, take a breath. You're not failing. You're overstimulated. Think about this. You wake up. Phone, school, notifications, music, videos, messages, late night scrolling, just for 5 minutes. Your brain never rests. And then we expect it to magically focus on a textbook? Yeah. No. That's like running a marathon and being mad your legs don't want to sprint after. So how do you fix this without deleting every app or becoming a monk? Here's what actually works. You don't need to quit social media. Just stop stacking dopamine. No TikTok, plus music, plus snacks, plus chatting, all at once. When you study, remove one stimulus. Phone face down. No background videos. Silence is uncomfortable and that's okay. That discomfort? That's your brain recalibrating. Stop saying, I'll study for 3 hours. Your brain hears that and panics. Instead say, I'll study for 5 minutes. That's it. No pressure. Once you start, momentum kicks in. And if it doesn't, you still won because starting is the hardest part. But this next one is the game changer. Most people avoid boredom like it's dangerous. But boredom is where focus is born. Sit with nothing. No phone. No music. Just you and your thoughts for 5-10 minutes. Your brain will beg for stimulation. Don't give in. Soon, studying won't feel painful. It'll feel like relief. This part matters more than productivity tips. Stop calling yourself lazy. Stop shaming yourself for struggling. Your brain is tired, not weak. Progress comes faster when you work with your brain, not against it. Talk to yourself like you would a friend. The moment I stopped hating myself for not focusing, everything changed. I stopped forcing. I started understanding. And slowly, focus came back. Not overnight, but consistently. So remember this. You're not lazy. You're overstimulated. Lower the noise. Start small. Let boredom do its job. And be patient with yourself. That's how you rebuild focus in a world designed to steal it. Tonight, try this. 5 minutes. Phone away. One task. That's it. And if this video helped you feel understood, share it with someone who's been struggling too. We're not falling behind. We're learning how to play the game smarter. Let's level up together.